Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import data in BigQuery. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your BigQuery account. And once you're in here, go to the top left and select the correct project. Okay. Once selected, below that we have Add Data. You're gonna want to click on it and then go to the right side of your screen and click on Local File. Okay. You have multiple options here like Google Cloud Storage, Amazon Redshift, S3 right here, Google Ads, like so. Okay. For example, I'm just going to be using local file. Click on local file right here. Upload, select the file, click on browse. I'm going to go ahead and select maybe meets right here. Hit on open, CSV. Make sure that the file type in here is the same with the file format in here. Okay. Destination, correct. This is the project. And into the maybe name dataset, select name, table. I'm going to name it as imported data, like so. And then once done, I'm just going to hit on create table. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here in the left panel, under the dataset name, we now have the imported data table, or the data that we just imported. Just click on it for you to see, like so. Go ahead over to preview to check the data, and here we have it. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.